it's okay to not be okay, when even the air you breathe is just too much for your lungs to take, and all the words that you don't say.
What do you like about coming to Girls Inc?
I get to make new friends, learn new things.
I like Girls Inc because I made friends. I made ROBs with the shirts. I made lots of friends. Oh, I like seeing my friends. I don't do anything.
You can call my name, I'll hold your hand, and keep all your secrets safe till you can see me. Can you see me coming, running for you, dead of night? Can you hear me holler? You're alright, I'll take your fears and wipe your eyes and wear it out like war paint. Wear it out like war paint. Wear it out like war paint. I see gold when you're black and blue.
I like being your friend.
I just like the feeling of knowing that I'm doing it for a good cause.
Out alive. You don't have to cry for me to hear your bad, don't cry. Come on, turn on your light. I've been waiting all night to fight with you, aim for you, one of your flag to white. I will stand your ground, I kiss your battle scars and leave my ex home mark till you can feel it. Can you feel it?
The money raised at Best Dancer will come right back here to Girls Inc. It goes to their programming, which will be allocated throughout for girls' tuition and staffing, as well as towards school supplies, art supplies, crafts, anything the girls need or use while they're here after school.
Last semester we held our first ever school supply drive where students came and donated things like pencils, books, paper, notebooks, pretty much any basic school supplies that kids these age would need. And we all just came back here to help everyone out at Girls Inc.
Most recently, we were told that the kids need more books, so next semester we're going to hold a book drive for students on campus to come donate some books for the kids here at Girls Inc.
Battle scars leave my ex on mark till you can feel it. Can you feel it?